I know there has been a great deal said, comma, as well as written, comma, about the interest attaching to the study of phrase and fable, comma, but I know there has not been sufficient said, comma, in view of the importance of the matter, comma, and I know there will be a great deal more both said and written before the subject is exhausted, full stop. Whenever there is a subject of interest to the journal reader, comma, and a desire expressed for information upon it, comma, there will be found someone ready and willing to obtain the necessary knowledge and impart it to others, full stop, as we have seen, comma, to, comma, the work is from time to time generally executed, as well as it can be, comma, and the results made known in the very shortest time possible, full stop. This is a great convenience to most of us, comma, as have not time to devote to research in these subjects, full stop, close.